Today's video is on the topic of investment decisions. If you are the student of the investment related any subject or any discipline, then this video can be helpful for some basic terminologies, or if you intend to make investment, then the concept discussed in this video will be very helpful for you. So let's start right away. This will be a very short video, 8 to 10 minutes. So if you have clicked this video, then you can watch it until the end of the topic. At the end, you will find something valuable for yourself. So stay tuned till the end. So investment decisions. There is a very first and very general topic which we discuss when we start reading or studying or teaching these investment decisions, which is called return on investment. Return on investment, in short, it is called ROI or ROI. What is this? A very simple concept. It is what it does, it tells you, the investor, that how much profit you made or lost compared to what you spent. This is a very simple one. You made some investment in a business, you purchased some shares of a company, you invested in the purchase of bitcoins, you invested in buying some property, and after some time, what you have gained or what you have lost. It is called return on investment. It is expressed in the form of percentage. So let's try to understand with a simple example. The first I write the formula for you. Return on investment is equal to net profit divided by cost of investment then we multiply it with 100 to get the percentage. So this is the simple formula. Let's assume an example here. What example says, if you invest 1000 US dollar in a project and earn 1200 US dollar back after some time. So This is very simple. You invested 1000 US dollar, then you earned 1200 US dollars. So what is your return of investment? So it is very simple. I have written the formula in the above. So we put the values here. Return on this investment is equal to what is net profit. So net profit is 200 US dollar. The cost of investment was 1000 US dollar, and we multiply it with 100. So as you can see that 20% is your return on investment on this specific project. Let me put percentage sign here. So 20% is your return on investment on this specific project in which you have invested 1000 US dollar and returned back and earned back 1200 US dollar. Okay, let me write it. This means that you have got a 20% return on your investment. Okay, now at the end of this video I tell you some options for you if you are the investor in which you can invest your money. Investment areas. What are those areas? Number one, uh, the most popular in today's world is Bitcoin. Okay, you can purchase Bitcoins and hope for a good return on it, but there is some risk involved that it is very volatile. Yeah. You have to make decision on your own. The second area where you can invest is real estate. You can purchase some property, you can purchase some land, you can purchase some house or flat or something like this in hard form, and later on when the price increases you can sell it on a profit. And number three area is stocks of joint stock companies. You can purchase shares of any company which you anticipate the prices are in upward direction, so you can purchase some shares of a specific company today, and later on after some period when there is a surge in the prices you can sell these shares, earn some profit. So there are many other areas in which you can invest your money, but these three areas are very popular in today's world. But remember one thing, that always Read the terms and conditions of the specific agreement of the area in which you intend to invest your money, and then seek some expert advice from financial advisors and take the decisions, keeping in mind the risk of loss also. So these are three general areas. Hopefully you will have some starting point relating to investment decisions. I will come up with some other videos with some other topics related to the financial management or financial decisions. Until then, goodbye, take care, Allah Hafiz.